Hello, everyone. So today we are here to discuss about the challenges in testing. So now these days we are seeing that market is going very fast in technology. A lot of new tools and technologies are coming. You can say like past 10 years or 15 years when I started working in testing was totally different. A lot of chunk was doing through the manual testing. Now these days automation is on the boom, even though now we are looking at the power of the automation tools, low code tools, AI tools. Chat GPT is on the boom right now. People are trying to use that tool, use those generative AIs for the testing. So there are a lot of questions in terms of manual testing that are we are we going to cut down this manual testing part? What is the future of manual testing? This question arises a lot of my team members across the people across the industry testers, they are asking to me the same question. No, manual testing is not going to die. People are not there. How this will be possible? Automation testing uh, cannot supersede the things, or AI tools are not able to supersede the things. I agree a bit. I'm not saying that I'm not agreeing on that front, but guys, please understand. Now industry has been changed. That is what I'm giving my example. When 2006 2007, when I started my career, there was tool which is called WinWinner, and that is one of the famous tool which is actually running on that time. People are keen. Very few people were in market who's doing the automation testing. Most of the people are focused on manual testing. And I won't say that the manual testers, people are going into the testing mostly because it seems it's easy. But now these days, in this cutting edge time, testing is getting much tougher than the earlier it was. So when I started my career through WinWinner, I moved QTP. I thought, okay, QTP is fine. After 3 4 years working with this, I know that in 2009 I wrote my first code on Selenium also, but still I was going with QTP. It's a market leader tool and all and all. Now time has gone, then Selenium was like superseded everything in 2014 15. All the web testing, API testing, everything was started getting through the Selenium. A lot of other tools like Catalan Studio, a lot of other tools are coming. Mark, a lot of different technologies, tools are started to grab the market share in the automation testing. What happens, like where 90% was manual testing in 2006, or 80% and 10 to 20% automation, till so far 23, it is like 60% people are, or 60% projects are on the automation. Either they are doing automation or they are having some feasibility over there. So mostly 60 70% it's automation. So think about it, that if market share goes 60 to 70% in automation, so where these manual testers are going on? So that is a question. So now how we are going to look into this? It means that 30 to 40% is still manual tester, which is actually going to be changed into the manual test, which is again going to be a automation testing. Might be 10 20% will be there in the future, because if you look into the GPT or any generative AIs, they are creating the cases, they are generating the things. So these testers, these people who's creating the cases and other things, going to be convert either AI related projects, or creating the data sets and other things, rather than working as a traditional uh, testing guy who's writing the test cases, creating a test data. Definitely those things will be there, but in a different form. How the AI is ingesting the data. So those guys will be transform themselves with the latest technology, where they can create the data sets, where they are mining the data, where they are putting the condition scenarios through the technology, and that AI tools taking that data ingestion, creating those things. So definitely You cannot be a plain manual tester. You have to have a SDT role. You have to have a you can say much more techier than even though sometimes your development guy, because everything is getting to be very smoother through the tool. Now you can see apply tool kind of tools which is just seeing once while what you guys are doing it, and then it works, it tests your code. Now I am seeing I am seeing that even though from the Selenium people are moving to the no code UiPath, RPA kind of tools and all those things. So understand the market, understand the industry trend, that how industry is moving. If you are stucking yourself just because of old mindset that nothing is going to be changed, no one can change, no one can take our share. So you just look into the previous market trends, how the testing has transformed, how manual testing goes automation. Now it is SDET. Now developer is doing the testing, the peer programmings, peer testing. Now the visual tools testing, low code, no code kind of testing tools are there. So you have to understand, you have to analyze things, that now manual work is getting lesser than lesser. Use your analytical mind with your latest technology tools, learn some new technologies and mingle with that. Definitely, if you want to be in the testing, be in the testing, one of the wonderful job career, one of the wonderful thing, because without that, no software, nothing goes on the market, because losing any product, no company does, no company wants it. So testing is, or you can say quality is one of the most important thing. And I always say that two eyes are always great rather than one eye who's actually creating the development. So I am not saying that developer is going to snatch your jobs or doing something extra or will do something perfect. No, it is not going to be happen. Things will be the same, like the business analyst will be there, like in terms of product owner, your project managers will be there like scrum masters or in the lead form. So in the same way, the testers will be also in the market in terms of SDT, in terms of facilitating the quality compliances matrices, and using new tools, mingled with new tools and technologies, and come up with some new way of doing testing. So a long story in cut short, definitely there will be a manual testing, but the market share, which was earlier 10-15 years before, it was 90%, 70% or 80%, is going to be cut short in 10-20%. A lot of industries are there which is actually, even though working on the manual testing part, where automation is very very low because of the nature of their, that industry could have. And definitely people are trying to do a lot of transformations are there. I'm saying I'm running one you can say large business in terms of transforming that business in terms of testing, that how testing can be helped over there, how we can replace the manual testing, even though not the full chunk of manual testing, that how in the smaller pieces we can create the platform ecosystem, what all those things. Because a lot of old systems are there, legacy systems are there, where we cannot do much on the automation part, but still we are trying, we are doing something which provide the efficiency, which provide the good quality. So everywhere the transformation is going on. So I would request to everyone, uh, improve your technology mindset, improve your analytical mindset, understand what worlds want, what is the key trends right now, and work accordingly. Thank you guys.